cut my shirt. This not make no sense now. Brother, like man, cut up my shirt. Yeah, no, this not make no sense. What's up everybody, you don't know your boy Razablade and me there with the next vlog. So, a whole heap of things been going on since when I post a vlog, so a time for people know what going on in my life. 3 weeks ago, your boy MC the wedding. When I know about MC the wedding, I don't know. One of my subscribers asked me, yo, you can come MC my wedding? And I say, of course, easy cheese. I don't like kind of something when I do all the while. You see what I say? Yeah, but really and truly I think I'm like third time I MC a wedding, you see me? Like, I like weddings. Remember, I get married soon, so you know, I like weddings. Weddings are a blessing, so roll the clip. Yo, you see that Benz side of me? You see that Benz side of me? Yo, you see that Benz side of me? Check out the Benz side of me. Check out the Benz. But if I'm aware right now, I go one of my subscribers them wedding. Not just attending, I'm gonna be the MC. The mother freaking MC. Who even go to her and tell her, say, yo, Razablade could have been an MC? I don't know. I'm loving it. But they're like a minute to the venue right now, so I try to see if I can sneak in with me. You see it? This game now is to find out who knows what and who does what and, you know? Because, for example, when certain things happen in a relationship, everybody says, I'm the woman. And certain things, some people say, I'm the man. So they could know for sure, right? So what's going to happen is, when I ask a question, you're going to raise the shoe of the person who the answer is. But you're not supposed to look around, that's the thing. Who's the better kisser? Who's going to be the first one to ask for it tonight? Who's more likely to cheat? And nobody will put up an hand because none of us supposed to cheat. Exactly. Hey, listen. You hear that something? Hey, what? No. Jump on my. No. Yeah, it's tonight, you know. Take your time. Like, 7 years now? Is he right? I do them stuff there professionally. If you want me MC your wedding, link up, but you don't know. I'm a professional, and professional people get paid to MC. None. Why you look up in my camera you don't want to come to me? Oi! Your uncle attack. Oi! Yes, you may attack too. You see if you love it when you love it little?
No favor me again.
You know favor me again?
No, sir.
You think so?
No favor me again.
For some reason, I don't know why, but Adiana, my niece, who I love, I don't know, she's afraid of me.
She see the cameraman and see a smile.
Pure rain to the people. It's the girl who told you say you not come to your uncle and so I don't want you in here. I don't know if it's because I always have this serious look on my face. Enough people feel like something wrong with me because I always have this serious look on my face. But at the same time, everybody in their life can't always a smile, everybody can't always a cry, everybody can't always a frown. And that's just me. But for some reason, Adiana afraid of me. So anywhere we and them go, she afraid to come to me. And she come to me when we have food. I wonder if I use she, I use me. Adiana use man already. Come drive Uncle car. Come here man, sissy poo.
Drive.
You start. See that? You all on YouTube see you cry. So let me ask you something. How come them a tell me say you watch me on TV and when me touch you? Yeah, go on like. You're still my sweetie pie though.
12 seconds later.
Jesus loves to hear little children sing. Clap your tiny hands for joy.
Finally.
Hey, wait, as she go sleep tonight, she reset and start back again.
She know my advice. Don't, Addy. Yeah.
Oh, Jesus.
Alright, go on. You want to go for two? Or you want to stay at home? Stay at home.
Stay at home with Brampton.
Stay at home. Stay uncle.
Love be
Nah,
ramping.
Be a big friend. She a ball like me take with her, sweetie. The boogeyman did it. Probably me need to spend more time with her. Me no know. If you think you know what me need to do to make my niece love me some more, comment below.
Oh God, man.
You don't got chance.
I do uncle that man.
I mean, you know man, you know what time we talk about you before you even come here. Alright, so just get some bread. You see it? Yeah, see it good? Yeah. About to do me hair right now. Cause my hair look like a mess. So I'm gonna pull up on the hairdresser right now. And ladies, comment below like, what type of person are you? Are you a braid person or the style them have? Natural hair person, a cream hair person? Comment below, what type of person are you? And then this happen, like this a man appear like the 7-star general. Servo! L.A. Lewis. Me just see the man, I walk past me, I go up in a like, which one did the Pavilion Mall like?
Yeah, man, I don't know, so the Maroon Emperor this and I'm tell him, say, Razablade TV, not sharp like a way. Servo!
Servo!
Maroon government, Razablade.
Oh,
Servo!
big up yourself in the 7-star general.
Tell me about Razablade.
You meet man.
7-7.
And you come like you like it too, you know. Cause make me hear around here answer.
I said thank you.
Let me see a smile, babe.
I'm not even this smile, I said thank you.
Yo.
And when you look,
People, a man just sit here and just laugh behind me and I say, yo, what? Oh, I like you look here. So I have to stop and look
That's
back
all I hear?
and mark your face. That's all I hear. I hear you. Thank you.
I said thank you.
When you tell me thank you, you know, babe. Me hear, thank you.
Just you're so liar.
Babe,
You're such a liar.
when you tell me thank you, me hear, thank you.
Because basically,
I did. Yeah, but...
you have to just tell yourself so you have to invest in it.
Yeah, man.
Hey. Hello.
Big up yourself, yeah, man.
Oh,
Yeah, man.
can I take a picture for you?
Picture?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Go and see Symphony. Hold me juice. We're there upon the vlog, you know? Oh, yeah. See it?
Out there. Exposed.
Expose me.
But Razor, I feel like this type of shirt I won't be offered.
You can't me friend the shirt that style as
This
well.
ugly brother.
I know my favorite
Yeah,
shirt, you
favorite
know.
shirt, ugly.
I know my favorite shirt, you know, but I wouldn't say ugly.
Brother, come on. We can't help you out, you know.
Oh,
Well, please.
the man say my shirt and they say you can't help me out.
Sure, not ugly, babe.
No, I know my favorite shirt, but you know, ugly.
What you gonna do with that?
Brother, this is a shirt I'm over there. This
See how the man that cut up me?
no make no sense.
What you do? What you, Jesus?
Brother, this no make no sense.
The man that...
So what me?
No, babe, drop my juice then. Watch ya.
This no make no sense, brother. This.
Brother, like the man that cut up my shirt.
Yeah, no, this no make no sense.
Jesus?
Come on, Razor. I'm gonna post on the gram. Come on, dog.
No, you see man that cut up my shirt off. Watch ya. No, babe, hold my camera.
Brother, this no make no sense.
No, brother, I forgot to work,
Brother, this no look good. This no look good. Brother, at least we could have done a hook you put man.
Jesus, stop. Stop.
Oh, baby, I can't go hold me, babe.
No,
Why you do that?
My shirt, though.
But you not that not giving a right?
I understand, but still. Brother, we can't do still.
That's not a
We
prank.
can definitely do something much better.
That is not a prank. Jesus, no.
No, but he might cut off my shirt.
That is not a
Best
prank. Why
thing
you
right
cut him
now.
shirt?
Because I don't look good, Andrea.
Suppose me to cut your shirt.
Yo, this better look good here.
But that is not no prank, Jason.
No, give me some prank, but it doesn't look good.
Yo, see, yo.
What is this?
No, but
But that is not a prank. Oh, that is one prank. Oh, that is one prank.
No, he's on the camera.
But how is it a prank?
Yo, I'm going to take a picture of the man, but the man I wear something weird as.
Oh.
You know, make no sense.
Yeah.
You see it?
How the f is that a prank? How is that a prank?
Yo, what are you talking about?
But why you? How is it a prank?
I'm not pranking him. if this don't look like good dog, this is the problem.
Just why you even put on a shirt?
No, no, shirt no.
This.
The shirt that's not look good. I have an extra shirt in the back. You see me?
Short bad dog. Ah.
Yo, boom. Hardcore attire, you see it?
Yo, make them know if you find your clothing, brother. Right now it's hot. Yo, only see me with Jenna. Show them how we shot back. Hardcore attire.
Check it out on Instagram, you see me?
It's a prank.
A-A-A-D-C-O-R-E, attire, A-T-T-I-R-E.
Cause no way somebody will cut out somebody's shirt.
Shirts, pullover, try and venture after some crop top to the females. So,
Yeah. Because she makes going on, so I have to get back something to she.
Get your reaction.
But oh, you just put out
Look here.
Put even so.
No, it's just a prank.
It's a part of the prank.
Yeah. They get tricked in the day and on Monday. I'm gonna watch this later.
We set up this little thing for Tricky and Jenna here. She looks so pissed and confused, but you don't know. Hardcore attire.
that is it.
Hardcore
You're outside,
attire.
you see me?
But I love to see her fight for your man, so babe. Let me see how me look fly.
I mean, it look
You could
good.
tell me say something bearded me nice.
Nice still, but
Yo, how to find you again?
Instagram, hardcore attire. You see me? H-A-A-D-C-O-R-E, attire, A-T-T-I-R-E. You see me? See
it
it?
look nice,
One brand.
but
Can I show you the
just
page
let
I'm
me
up
get
now?
back, you know.
Good reaction though.
Yo, security guard about to do that. Hey, big up yourself, you know.
That's not funny.
Yes, that's it.
Babe, why you not do me that? No, not do me that. I mean, your shirt look nice though, and the quality really thick, but
It is warm. You know, you're going to just right now in the sun.
we have AC.
Okay, good.
me not know if I get why it shocked me. It's just,
You know, expect it to know.
me just go put back your shirt, you know.
You're going to cut it back, that's why I'm get ready to run.
Jason, don't do them something that Jason.
War is on!
I could tell me say something bearded me nice. Hardcore attire. If you don't have vlog, you're spicy. Let me ask Ian Janice with some relationship advice. Counselor, what you suggest for me?
Listen, we have a girl to give you.
Ah!